Alright guys, in this video we're going to review how to multiply polynomials. Something you want to be pretty adept at. We're going to talk about three types of problems. Alright, so a lot of you guys may not even need review for this, honestly, but just in case, we're going to give you some helpful hints here. So for these types of problems, we're going to use a box method. You're going to put one of your polynomials on the top, one of them down the side, and then you're just going to fill in the box by multiplication. So 5x times 2x is 10x squared. 5x times 3y is going to be 15xy. Negative 2x times, actually that was supposed to be a 2y right here. Negative 2y times 2x is going to be negative 4xy. And then negative 2y times 3y is going to be negative 6y squared. And so we have 10x squared as our first answer there. These two terms can combine because they're like terms. 15 take away 4 is 11xy. And then lastly we have this guy. So that's it. Let's go ahead and take a look at type 2. Now honestly the method here, the box method, works for all of these problems, but I want us to know how to do a little bit of a different method for these other types. So you could do the box method. The box method will work. But this is an important situation here. This is what we call a, well actually it doesn't really have a name, but these are what we call conjugates. A conjugate is any time you have the same binomial, it's just that one has a plus and one has a minus in the middle of it. Okay? And so for those ones there's a shortcut. All you have to do, instead of doing the box method, although you could, instead of doing the box method, you just do the first term times the first term. And you do the last term times the last term. And you're done. Okay? So that's the shortcut method. Let's go ahead and take a look at the final type here, type 3. All right. Now sometimes you'll see an expression that looks like this. Okay. Now what that really means is that we have this. Once again, you could do the box method. You could do the box method, but we're not going to do the box method. I want you guys to know a faster way to get this, and here it is. You're going to take this number here and you're going to square it. You're going to take this number here and you're going to square it. And then what you're going to do is you're going to take both of these numbers now and you're going to put a 2 in the front and you're going to put each one inside some parentheses there. And you're going to simplify each piece. So this first piece here is 25x squared. If you do 5x to the second power, you get 25x squared. Next, if you do this one, you're going to get negative 70xy. And then for this one, you're going to get 49y squared. It's nice to have a shortcut, and so we'll be using the shortcut on that one. All right, so those are the three types of problems that I'm going to ask you guys to be familiar with, and that's it for the notes. Shortest notes ever. All right, guys, see you in class.